solve subtraction story problems, right? So the three strategies that we have already covered is that we can use objects, we can use fingers, and we can use pictures to solve subtraction story problems, right? But there are a couple more strategies that I would like to go over. So another strategy that we can use is a number path, right? So we've made them, we've used them, we are comfortable with number paths, right? So we're going to switch it up a bit. Instead of using a horizontal number path like this, we're going to practice using a vertical number path like this. And you will use one with Madame Zabo on her fun book on Friday. So this is going to be good practice for you all. Okay? And so all that's different is that the 1 starts down here at the bottom, and really I should have gone down to 0. And then it can go up, 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 up as high as you would like. Now remember, we start up here, we start up high, and we get lower when we do subtraction, okay? So we are going to start, remember I saw 7 blue fish. So I saw 7 blue fish, so I'm going to put my blue on 7. And Madame Zabo saw 4 green fish. So we will go down 4, and I like to normally hop like a bunny, but now we're just going to kind of swim like a fish since we saw fish, right? So go ahead and get ready, swim with the fish and count down with me. So we start with 7, we're going to count down 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and what did I land on? What number? 3. So I'm going to put my green on top of the 3. So 8 minus 4 equals 3, okay? Using a vertical number path is a little bit more fun than using this one, right? So go ahead and make one and try that out too. Okay, another way, close your eyes. Are you ready for the next way? Open your eyes. What is this called? This is a 10 frame. Good job. So we can also use a 10 frame to solve our subtraction story problem. I went ahead and put on my 7, right? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I already put on my 7 blue fish. How many green fish do I need to put on? 4. So I'm going to put 4 green fish, and I put them, they're really X's, and I'm going to put them on top of 4 of my blue fish so we can see how many are left over. So go ahead and count with me as I cover up 4. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we both saw 4 fish, but she saw fewer fish than me. How many fewer fish did she see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So she saw 3 fewer fish than me because 7 minus 4 equals 3. So that is how you can use a 10 frame. Another way that you could solve this story problem is using a number bond. And so remember, to number bond, the biggest number goes up here and the 2 arrows lead down to the 2 parts, right? So part, part, whole. Now remember, the whole is the biggest number. What is the biggest number? 7, right? The number of fish that I saw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you can do objects. You can draw objects in them like I did, or you can just write the number 7. I like to do both. See? Okay? And now into the first part is the second known number. What is the second known number? 4, right? Madame Zabo saw 4 fish. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to cover up in my whole 4. That way I can see how many are left over. So I'm going to cover up. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I covered up 4, and how many are left over? 1, 2, 3. So what number needs to go down here? 3. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Part and part makes whole. Or whole minus part equals part. And then the last way that I have is that we can write a number sentence. And I normally like to do a number sentence plus another one of these ways, right? I normally like to do at least 2 ways when I solve a subtraction problem or an addition problem. That way I can check my work and really make sure that I did it right. Okay? So now this way to write a number sentence we've seen before, right? So we write the biggest number first, which how many fish I saw, which is 7. Minus our other number that we know, which is Madame Zabo saw 4. So 7 minus 4 equals 3. Go ahead and say that number sentence with me. Ready? 7 minus 4 equals 3. Now there is another way to write it, and normally we don't tell you this way until 1st grade, but I'm going to let you in on a little secret, okay? Just don't tell the 1st grade teachers that I'm the one that taught you this. But another way that we can write a number sentence is using this outline. And I'm going to show you how we do it. We put the large number, our whole, at the top. What is our whole? What is our largest number? 7, right? So we will write 7 up here at the top. 7 minus, and then right here we're going to write that second number that we know. How many fish Madame Zabo saw? So Madame Zabo saw 4 fish, so 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4. And then we have this big line, and that's just like the equal sign. I kind of think of it as like we're putting both of those lines and the equal sign together to make one long line. 7 minus 4 equals 3. And that's another way to write a number sentence. If you don't like that way to write it, don't worry. You don't have to worry about that until 1st grade, okay? But I just want to let you in on a little secret. Okay, so now there are 7 ways to write or to solve a subtraction problem, right? There are 7 strategies, so everyone hold up 7 fingers. And let's count them off. I'll say it and repeat it after me. Ready? We can use objects. We can use fingers. We can use pictures. We can use a number path. We can use a 10 frame. We can use part whole or a number bond. And we can use a number sentence. Okay, so I just gave you 7 strategies to solve those subtraction story problems or just a subtraction problem, okay? So as you go through this week, make sure you try out and use all of those different strategies. That way you can get practice with all of them. Okay, have fun solving some subtraction problems. Bye!